question 1. Okay, so question 1, it's 2 1 over 3 minus 2 1 over 3 divided by 1 1 over 3. So first you ask yourself on BODMAS which one has to be used first. Is it minus or divide? So if we go to BODMAS, we can see that division comes first, then subtraction comes later. So we have to start with division. Okay, so it's going to be but before we do that, let's make sure that these ones are in improper fraction, not as mixed fractions. Okay, so 3 times 2, it's 6. 6 plus 1, 7 over 3 minus 3 times 2, 6. 6 plus 1, 7 over 3 divided by 3 times 1, 3 plus 1, 4 over 3. Okay, so in fractions, this you can replace it with times. 7 over 3 minus 7 over 3 times. When you do that, this you take it up and this you take it up. If you have another method, it's okay so long as it gives you the same answer. So it will be 3 over 4. So 7 over 3 minus 7 times 3 is 21. 3 times 4 is 12. So we have to look for a common denominator here of 3 and 12, which is 12 itself. 3 into 12 is 4. 4 times 7, it's 28. Minus 12 into 12, it's 1. 1 times 21 is 21. So subtracting the numerators, 28 minus 21 is going to be 7 over 12. So this is the answer. Going to question 2. So question 2 says 1 2 over 3 minus 1 2 over 3 times 1 over 4. Okay, so we first make sure that they are all in improper or proper fractions, not mixed fractions. So 3 times 1, 3 plus 2, 5 over 3 minus 3 times 1, 3 plus 2, 5 over 3 times 1 over 4. Okay, so as just like before, on BODMAS we start with times first. So it's going to be 5 over 3 minus 5 times 1, 5, 3 times 4, 12. Then common denominator is 12 again. 3 into 12, 4. 4 times 5 is 20 minus 12 into 12, it's 1. 1 times 5, it's 5. 20 minus 5, it's 15 over 12. We can reduce to lowest terms. What number goes into 12 and 15 without a remainder? It's 4. 4 into 12, it's C. There are 4 times. 4 into 15 is there 5 times. We can leave this as a mixed fraction by 4 into 5, it's 1. Remainder 1 over 4. We go to question 2. Or question 3, sorry. So question 3 comes from BODMAS. So it says 14 plus 3, open bracket, 7 minus 2, close bracket, negative 2 times 5. Okay, so on BODMAS, we know that BODMAS, B is for brackets. The first thing is brackets, so we can start with brackets. So it's going to be 14 plus 3, 7 minus 2, 5, minus 2 times 5. Okay, since there's one number inside the bracket, so we can remove the brackets, but of course, since there's a number here, brackets means multiplication. So it's going to be 14 plus 3 times 5, 15, minus 2 times 5. We have remained with times, minus, and plus. Okay, times, minus, and plus. Which one comes first on BODMAS? So we have O, we have D. Division we don't have. We have multiplication. So multiplication comes first. So it's going to be 14 plus 15 minus 2 times 5, it's 10. Okay, what follows? It's a addition. 14 plus 15 is 29 minus 10. 29 minus 10, 19. We go to question 4. Question 4 is saying 12 plus 3 minus 6 times 3 as usual, if we go to BODMAS, we have to start with multiplication. So it's going to be 12 plus 3 minus 6 times 3, 18. Okay, then we can go to plus 12 plus 3 is 15 minus 18. 15 minus 18 is going to be negative 13. Sorry, negative 3, not negative 13. Yeah, it's negative 3. We go to question 5. Question 5 was saying 3 minus 3 plus 3 times 3. So we start with multiplication. So it's going to be 3 minus 3 plus 3 times 3, 9. Okay, we go to addition. 3, negative 3 plus 9, it's plus 6. Okay, so 3 plus 6 is going to be 9. This is not 3. This is negative 3. So negative 3 plus 9. We go to question 6. We have 0.002 times 0.6. So we're going to use what we learned in primary times 0.6. Okay, we start with 6 multiplying with everything on top. 6 times 2 is 12. 2 carry 1. 6 times 0, 0 plus 1, 1. 6 times 0, 0. 6 times 0, 0. Okay, we go to the next line. We start the next line with 0. So this 0, this one is going to multiply with everything on top. 0 times 2 is 0. 0 times 0, 0. 0 times 0, 0. 0 times 0, 0. Okay, then we can add them. 2 plus 0, 2. 1 plus 0, 1. 0 plus 0, 0. 0 plus 0, 0. And 0. Then we ask ourselves, how many numbers are on the right side of the 2 points? This point and this point. So here there are 3 numbers. Here there's 1. So a total of 4. Meaning that even in our final answer, there should be 4 numbers on the right side. So mean the point should be here so that there are 4 numbers on the right side of the point. We got question 7. So 7 wants 0.375 to be converted to a fraction, a normal fraction, okay, or a common fraction, so to speak. So what you do is write all the numbers on the right side of the point, which are 3, 7, and 5. Then you write 1. Then you count the number of digits on the right side of the point, or how many numbers have you written here. Okay, so how many are here? There are 3. So if there are 3, you write 3 zeros. If there are 4, you write 4 zeros. In this case, there are 3. Then we'll start reducing to lowest term now. So what number can go into 375 and 1000 without a remainder? Okay, so what number can go into 375 and 1000 without a remainder? We can start with 25. Okay, 25 goes into 100 4 times, into 0 times. 25 goes into 37 1 time, remainder. There's going to be a remainder of 12. 25 into 125 is there 5 times. Okay, so I've got 5 which goes into both 15 and 40. Okay, 5 into 15 is 3. 5 into 40 it's 8. Is there a number that goes into 3 and 8? No, so the answer is 3/8. Got question 8 to saying 42 divided by 0.007. Okay, so how do we divide this? We can use different methods. One of them is to do this. Okay, so make this number with points to have no points. You do that by multiplying by 1 on top and on the bottom and on top. Then 1 should have the number of zeros equal to the number of digits on the right side of the point, which are 3. 1 2 3, and here 1 2 3. So when you multiply 42 times 1000 is 42,000. 0.07 times 1000. When you do this, the zeros and the point disappear. So 7 here, 1, 7 into 42, it goes there 6 times. Okay, 7 into 0 0, 7 into 0 0, 7 into 0 0, 6,000. Number 9, it's 2 1/4 plus 4 1/2 divided by 2/9. Okay, again we take to improper. 4 times 2, 8 plus 1, 9 over 4, plus 2 times 4, 8 plus 1, 9 over 2, divided by 2 over 9. We start with division, so it's going to be 9 over 4 plus 9 over 2 times 9 over 2. Okay, so 9 over 4 plus 9 times 9, 81, 2 times 2, 4. If the denominators are same, you can just add direct. 9 plus 81, which is going to be 90 over 4. Okay, from here you can reduce. You can say okay, I'll use a different way. Ask yourself, how many times does 4 go into 90? It goes there. 22 times, remainder 2 over 4. 2 and 4, they have got a common number that can go into both, which is 2 itself. 2 into here 1, 2 into here 2. So it's going to be 22 1 over 2. We got to question 10. So this is everyday mathematics, like the way you pay for exams. So if someone enters for 4 subjects, first they have to pay 25 kwacha per subject. So for 4 subjects, it's going to be 4 times 25, which is going to be 100. Okay, so they have to pay 100 kwacha. But there's also an entry fee of 38.5. So 100 kwacha plus 38.5, it's going to be 100 kwacha, 38.5 kwacha. Okay, so this is the answer. That was A. Then B, someone paid 188.5. So from this 188.5, we can remove the entry fee, which is the 38.5. When you subtract, we're going to remain with 150 kwacha. Okay, but one subject is 25 kwacha. So how many subjects would one write if they pay 150? So how many 25 kwacha are in 150 kwacha? So we divide 25 here 1, 25 here 6. So the answer is 6. So the person has to write 6 subjects.